A new facility aims to convert waste produced at Gardens by the Bay into energy, as well as charcoal for plants. The facility is the result of a deal that's been struck between the Nature Park and SP Group. Now, they say that this smart waste management system could enable sustainable zero waste district to be viable in Singapore.
This is the pretty side of Gardens by the Bay. But what happens to the 5 tons of waste it produces at the end of each day? Some of it may be turned into something useful thanks to this machine. It's a container-sized facility that can process up to a ton of waste every day and reduce it to just 5% of its original volume. The procedure is called gasification, an alternative to incineration. It can process most types of waste except for metal. After waste is deposited into the machine, it's heated and produces a byproduct called syngas. That gas is then transferred to a combustion chamber. It's heated again, this time to generate steam, which can then be used to warm up things like water. Another byproduct is produced, which may prove to be useful to the park. Biochar, which is charcoal produced from plants, can help soil retain water and nutrients.
I suspect that different plants may react differently to this biochar, or different soil condition will react differently to this soil, and we can go further to see how we can enhance different type of plants or different type of soil with this biochar.
Having zero waste also means there's no need to transport large amounts of it to incineration plants or to Semakau landfill. If the facility's trial is successful, it could be scaled up or even used elsewhere.
Hospitals, for example, or even hotels where there's a significant use of hot water and also with the source of waste will be opportunities for deployment of such solutions.
The 2-year trial started last month.